We have here high quality air compressors and drilling rigs available for sale at the most affordable price right here in Abuja, Nigeria. This is 2023 model. So if you are looking for good equipment for mining, you can kindly contact us right now. Look at the equipment. They are ready here. We also have another branch at Shagamu where we store this high quality equipment. You can see they manufactured here December 2022. So as it's not up to 6 months, it is now 2023 because it was just manufactured December 2020. So okay. So kindly contact us right now. All the miners, if you are looking for high grade equipment for fast and easy mining, kindly contact us right now. Okay. We look forward to your patronage. Thank you. God bless you more abundantly to keep on patronizing us.